Hi! Once again, I'm here na naman at ipapakita ko sa inyo ang view. So before that, like and subscribe muna tayo mga guys. Like para happy and victory. This is my friends. Okay, my friends. Dito tayo. Yes, my friends also there. Victory sign. Yan na, yan. Magpakyat muna tayo. Magpakyat. So this is our lunch. Oh, it's sausage. Yan ay sausage yan. Lunch namin yan. Yan ang lunch namin. So sa loob niyan may buto-buto. May buto. Kaya hindi kayo lugi. Sausage siya na may ham na may sauce. Ay may buto-buto. So okay lang yan. Masarap. So dito na naman tayo sa namasyal kami dito sa Starway in Hadong. Starway Hadong. Makikita niyo nasa tuktok tayo ng bundok. Kasi yung building na to, nasa tuktok ng bundok. On the top of the mountain. Oh my God, so scary. When you look at down, it's so... Naku, nakakalula talaga. It's so. You see? I scared of heights, but no choice. I want to see the beauty of this building, the beauty of this view, like that. Ang ganda-ganda, diba? Oh. Lions gonna come. The birds have just begun. Okay, you see that one? That is dolomite. Kaya kayong taga Maynila, huwag kayong nagreklamo dyan. Dolomite ay ginagamit yan talaga to make an artificial sand here in Korea. Naku, huwag kayong mag-reklamo dyan, mga dilawan kayo. Ayan, that is dolomite. Diba ang dami? Binabagsakan nila ng dolomite yan. Oh, tingnan nyo, dolomite yan. Ginagawan kasi yan ay lake yan, lake. That is a lake, a big lake. Long lake. Okay, let's go here. You see that one? Diba? Ang daming tao din. Namamasyal dito. Kahit maraming tao, keep distance lang para iwas. Alam niyo na. Ayan, ganda dito. You see that one? That is dolomite. Dolomite. Kasi nilalagay nila sa lake para umanda ang view. Okay, this is the building here in Tuktuk of the mountain. You see that one? The name of this anyway is Starway Heaven. Ay, Starway Heaven. No, I mistake. This is Starway Hadong. Yeah, Starway Hadong. That is a Starway Hadong. So, see you guys!
Savannah, we'll never be alone, Savannah. Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah.